Good morning, student. At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. I am India Abul Hussain, Raghunathpur Secondary School, Dinagar Sador. I start online class. Dear learner, next last class we learn to tense. I teach you right forms of the verb. Right forms of the verb. First, this sentence is present simple tense sentence and subject present form and first person. This verb is present simple sentence. Example: I go to school every day. I go to school every day. This sentence subject, here subject I, first person, and verb go, present simple sentence. It is present tense. Okay, present indefinite tense. No change the verb. No change the verb. Go. This sentence is use subject third person, only third person singular and not plural when this verb at the s oblique es. S oblique es. She go to school every day. Okay? Go to school every day. Dear learner, look at the blackboard. Number 1, go. Number 2, go. Equal verb. But subject here, number 1 subject, first person. Number 2 subject, third person and singular. When the subject third person singular, use and the subject verb is oblique es. Is oblique es. She go to school every day. Here example, she go to school every day. Here appropriate sentence, she goes to school every day. Okay, goes to school every day. Number 3, this sentence at the end of the sentence, adverb every day, regularly, or always, this sentence is present indefinite tense. This sentence is present. This sentence is present indefinite tense. Okay? Here example, dear learner, Have you completed in this sentence your khata? Yes. Number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2 complete. Yes. Number 3 example. Number 3 example 1, 2. She reads the book regularly. Dear learner, here adverb every day, regularly, always, etc. is the sentence present indefinite tense. Another example: she reads the book regularly. Have you seen the regularly? Yes. Here subject she, verb read, object the book, and adverb regularly. This sentence is present. Okay, this sentence is present indefinite tense. Here subject she. If the sentence subject she, person, third person, add the verb s oblique es, reads. Example: she reads the book regularly. Regularly. Yes? Okay. Next, more example. I always speak the truth. I always speak the truth. Always. There adverb always, subject I, it is first person. Speak verb. It is present indefinite tense. It is present indefinite tense. I always speak the truth. Okay? It is present indefinite tense. This sentence is negative. When this sentence is negative, we use auxiliary verb do or does. Do or does. It is present indefinite tense. Okay? Dear learner, have you completed in this sentence? Yes? Okay. If this sentence is negative or indefinite, in negative, she speaks regularly. Okay? She not speak English regularly. Here sentence present indefinite tense and this sentence is negative. When the sentence is negative, we use auxiliary verb do or does. Do oblique does. Here subject she, third person singular. Here subject third person singular and at the main verb at the end of the sentence word is. Okay. Here subject auxiliary verb and the end of the subject auxiliary verb use does. Auxiliary verb use does. She, not, does, not, speak, English, regular. Okay. When the subject third person singular auxiliary verb use does, not, receive. When the subject auxiliary verb does, no, when from verb is oblique yes. It is, for example, I not a see every day. I not take tea every day. Here subject I not. It is sentence. This sentence negative and present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. We use auxiliary verb. We use auxiliary verb do or does. If the sentence starts subject first person and we use auxiliary verb do. I do not take tea every day. Okay? I do not take tea every day. Dear learner, have you completed in this sentence? Yes. Okay. This sentence is interrogative. When this sentence is interrogative, we use first auxiliary verb do oblique does. We auxiliary verb do oblique does. For example, I take tea every day. Interrogative. Dear learner, have you seen it? Yes. Here subject I, first person, take, main verb and present. Simple present, tea every day. Here adverb every day. This sentence is present indefinite tense and it is interrogative. Okay. Do I take tea every day? Okay. Do I take tea every day? Number 2. She sings a song. It is interrogative. Here subject she and main verb sing a song. It is present indefinite and interrogative. Where is the verb interrogative? Auxiliary verb do oblique does. If this subject she and third person, we use auxiliary verb does. Auxiliary verb does. If this sentence subject has sings is says, okay, does. does she. If this first auxiliary verb does, no sing is. No sing is. Okay? She sing a song. Does she sing a song? Dear learner, have you completed in this? Okay. It is present indefinite tense. We go to past, present, continuous tense. Present continuous tense. If the sentence we use auxiliary verb am, is, are, it is present continuous tense, and main verb at the ing. Adverb at the ing. She is read the book. It is present indefinite tense. Sorry, it is present continuous tense. Auxiliary verb am, is, are. Read the book. This sentence is present indefinite tense. We use auxiliary verb am, is, are, and main verb at the end of the main verb ing. She is reading the book. She is reading the book. Okay. Number 2. This sentence we use adverb at present, now, at present, at this moment. It is present continuous tense. If the sentence use at present, now, at this moment, it is present continuous tense. Okay? If this sentence used at present, at now, at present, now, at this moment, it is present continuous tense. অর্থাৎ যে সেন্টেন্স যদি কোনো সেন্টেন্সে অ্যাডভার্ব হিসাবে অ্যাট নাও, অ্যাট দিস মোমেন্ট, অ্যাট প্রেজেন্ট থাকে, তাহলে সেটা প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হিসাবে আমরা ধরতে পারি। এটা হলো প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। ফর এক্সাম্পল, okay, dear learner, look at the blackboard. Now we swim in the pond. Swim in the pond. It is present continuous tense. Here, adverb now. It is present continuous tense. When the continuous tense, the subject and the verb, auxiliary verb am, is, are. Am, is, are. Now, we are. When auxiliary verb am, is, are, the sentence present continuous tense, and present tense at the end ing. Present ing. Now we are swim. Swimming in the pond. Okay? Now we are swimming in the pond. Here, present continuous tense. Okay, present continuous tense. Dear learner, have you completed in the sentence? Yes. Homework. Dear student, we to teach to him present indefinite tense and present continuous tense. Next class, when we come back in this school, we are completed the present perfect tense. Okay? Dear learner, now is our country affected the virus COVID-19. When we go out in this home, we use mask and when come back at home, we use wash frequently with soap with the hands. Okay, goodbye.